Hello everyone, today we are going to crochet lavender. Make a knot with purple yarn. We need to crochet 45 chains as foundation chain line. Starting on the third chain from the hook, work double crochet increase. Means work 2 double crochet in one stitch. Then work a double crochet in the next stitch. Then work 4 chains when this is stitch finished. Starting on the third chain from the hook, work an increase. Means work 2 single crochets in one stitch. Continue to work double crochet into next stitch. Then work 4 chains. Starting on the third chain from the hook and work an increase. Repeat a double crochet 4 chains and starting on the third chain from the hook, work an increase. We need to work 40 steps in total. There are 2 chains left in the foundation chain line. Work an increase in the last 2 chains. And work a single crochet in the last chain. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. Now we have finished the flower. Let's crochet the lips with green yarn. Make a knot with 20 centimeters long left. Crochet 6 chains as foundation chain line. Then starting on the second chain from the hook, work a slip stitch. Then continue to work 4 single crochet. Next, continue to work 6 chains. Starting on the second chain from the hook. Repeat work a slip stitch and 4 single crochet. We need to crochet as the above to finish 15 lip. Finished. Work a chain and cut off the yarn. We need to leave 30 to 40 centimeters long yarn to wrap around the floral wire. Now we'll show you how to assemble. Apply glue on the flower's right side and wrap it around the floral wire. Apply glue when needed until wrapping to the bottom. Then bring out the leaf. To wrap with short yarn end. Make sure that the wrong side of the leaf is upward. Apply glue on leaf when wrapping the leaf petal. Wrap to the bottom and apply glue to fix it on. Congratulations, you're done.